Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe with Cooking with TJ. Today, got a surprise, it's another barbecue. Amazing UK weather, had to be done. Before that guys, as always, if you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice easy new recipes, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. This is going to be the barbecue that I'm going to be using. So it's got two nice sides to it, so obviously you can put your chicken on that side, you can put your meat on that side. It's occupied at the moment with a flower pot, but yeah, this is it. I've taken out the grills, just need to clean them. The inside is a bit rusty, but he does the job. I think that's what you get with barbecues. So yeah guys, in the process of preparing it, and then I need to light up barbecue. Just a hint for you guys, whenever you do a barbecue, make sure you clean it. So if you don't, it'll end up like this. It's pretty bad. Then you're gonna have to use a brush like this to clean it. It's not the ideal one, but it does the job. Officially got the barbecue ready now. The grills are sparkling clean. And also I've got my barbecue equipment. So I've got the skewers here, I've got a bong, and I've got a long brush, which is good and useful. The reason why I say is because when there's a lot of fire coming out of the barbecue, you don't want to burn yourself, so that's a hazard tip guys. But yeah, skewers and all the other equipment for the barbecue is all ready, and at a convenient space also. It's just a matter of getting it started. Bismillah. There you go, all ready now to go onto the barbecue. Here you go, here's my nice setup. There's the other bite-sized chicken breast pieces, lemon and herb. The remaining ones on the wooden skewers that I've got. And I'm just going to place these ones here. There we go. Everything's all ready now. We've got, it's a gas converted barbecue, so my father's connected it. It's just a matter of waiting now. Let it heat up, and Bismillah. These ones are the Brazilian coated chicken breast pieces, and the one next to it, these are the lemon and herb chicken breast pieces. I have the remaining ones on the other side, and these are beef small bite-sized pieces marinated in lemon and herb. Delicious, smells amazing. And the last piece is just a Lebanese marination for chicken breasts. If you guys want to know how I do this marination, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I can do a separate video for that. So yeah, it's all ready to go into the barbecue, inshallah. So as you can see guys, every couple of minutes I'm rotating the skewers for the chicken anyway, so it's evenly cooked on each side. Yeah, so continue doing that for all the chicken pieces. And with the meat, because it takes slightly longer than chicken to cook, you know, you leave that for a bit longer, the beef, sorry. And with this chicken, just continue rotating them every couple of minutes, so it's evenly cooked. Rotate these ones, constantly rotate them so you don't want them to burn. Bismillah. It's quite hot, so you gotta be very. That one thing we spent one day in Abu Dhabi. Amazing. We went one day. Taste the lemonade. 42, 43 degrees.
You know, at one point, we went into the mosque, innit? I mean, that open place, the centre part. Yeah. It is 45 degrees.
So there you have it, guys, a weekend barbecue with the family. You know, just with small chicken breast pieces, you can do the damage. I gotta say, the beef size pieces were nice. The chicken bite-sized pieces were amazing, especially the lemon and herb marination ones. They were lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet already, please do so. Until next weekend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.